Imagine waking up 1 year from now, living the life you once thought was impossible. No more struggle, no more self-doubt, just success, freedom, and fulfillment. Sounds like a dream? It's not. You can completely transform your life in just 12 months if you follow this one game-changing idea. Stay with me, because this will make you unstoppable. The secret? The 1% rule. Instead of aiming for overnight success, commit to improving just 1% every single day. That's it. Just 1%. Sounds small, right? But here's the math. If you improve by just 1% every day, by the end of the year, you'll be 37 times better than where you started. That's the power of consistent, small actions. Here's the 12-month plan. 1 to 3. Build unshakable habits. Focus on one habit at a time. Wake up early, read daily, exercise, or work on a skill. Small wins create momentum. Month 4 to 6. Master your mindset, eliminate negativity, practice gratitude, and visualize your dream life daily. Month 7 to 9. Level up your skills, take an online course, network with successful people, or start a side hustle. Month 10 to 12. Execute relentlessly, no more excuses. Take action. Track progress. Stay consistent. Every ultra-successful person you admire started from zero. They weren't lucky, they were consistent. If they can do it, why can't you? Final challenge, start now. Comment below, what's the first small step you'll take today? Don't wait for tomorrow. 12 months from now, you'll either be thanking yourself or regretting that you didn't start. Your dream life is waiting. And if you want a detailed guide, let me know in the comments. We're here to make videos for your bright future, breaking down each step in depth. Let's grow together. If you're serious about growth, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's build your dream life together.